are really addicted in drinking. Before 4 years we were 8 on a list here in Europe of the most addicted persons drinking of coffee. You know why? Because we are drinking our coffee 3 times a day.
Untuk semua video Bosnia saya dapat rakam semasa saya mengikuti Bosnia Sarajevo Free Walking Tour. Dalam masa 2 jam ni, kami dibawa di merata-rata tempat dan diterangkan secara terperinci tentang sejarah tempat tersebut. Senang saja, anda boleh pergi ke meetbosnia.com, iaitu laman rasmi mereka, dan anda boleh lihat terdapat pelbagai pakej tour yang mereka berikan. Untuk kali ini, kami hanya memilih Free Sarajevo Walking Tour. Apabila anda melihat kepada detail Sarajevo Free Walking Tour, dalam masa 2 jam ni, terdapat banyak tempat yang akan dilawati. Antaranya adalah Old Orthodox Church, All Street in Sarajevo, Sarajevo City Hall dan macam-macam lagi. Bagi saya, tour ini sangat berbaloi kerana tidak perlu saya membayar. Mereka hanya tanya di akhir tour sama ada kita nak sedekah atau memberi sedikit tips. Itu saja. Itu pun
Copper material. They learn the Bosnians and others how to do the different crafts with the copper all around. Meanwhile, some of that streets were closed for the public, and only this one now it's open for the public. And originally, this place it's existing here since 52. Just to know, it's at this place. And the people are practicing to do different things with the copper. One of them, actually the most famous one, is this one. This is the place you can use for drinking a coffee. You know, this is the jezbe. This is the place where you will do your coffee. This is the filjan, the one from where you will drink your coffee as well. And this is the place, this is like the thing where you can leave your cubes of sugar. Bosnians are really addicted in drinking. Before 4 years we were 8 on a list here in Europe of the most addicted persons drinking of coffee. You know why? Because we are drinking our coffee 3 times a day. That is a real ritual you have to respect if you are part of this community. You know, at the morning, afternoon, and let's say evening. Some of us doesn't have a time to respect that, but it's really important. Because of that, Bosnians, they have a special types of a coffee. So, for example, now someone, it's at your house, last 4 hours. And you don't know how to say goodbye to that person. See you never. You're just sitting, drinking a coffee. Let's go out, you know. But that person doesn't want. So you will do the coffee. How you will do this coffee? This is an advance for you also to know. Usually it's normal to put 1.5 spoons of coffee inside of this pot. But usually people put, when they want that kind of coffee, they put 4 spoons or 5 spoons. So person who is drinking a coffee with you immediately needs to go to the toilet. I'm really sorry I'm saying like that, but it's real sorry. So later on that person will leave your house and maybe you will see that person never again.